Click on the link below to get price. The Maxlander 2400-watt portable inverter generator impresses with its blend of power, portability, and quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency backup needs. Weighing in at just 48 pounds, this generator is relatively lightweight and easily transportable, perfect for camping trips or tailgating events. The ergonomic design, complete with a sturdy handle, enhances its portability, allowing for effortless movement. One of the standout features of the Maxlander generator is its quiet operation. With a noise level of only 53 decibels at a quarter load, it can run without disturbing the peace of your surroundings. This is especially beneficial when camping in nature or during late-night outdoor gatherings. The inverter technology ensures that it produces clean and stable power, safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. The generator has a rated output of 2,400 watts and a peak output of 3,200 watts, providing ample power for various applications. Whether you're running small appliances, charging devices, or powering tools, this generator delivers consistent performance. It comes equipped with multiple outlets, including two 120V AC outlets and USB ports, making it versatile for multiple devices. Another notable feature is its impressive fuel efficiency. With a 1.18-gallon tank, it can run for up to 12 hours at a quarter load, making it both economical and convenient. The built-in Eco mode further optimizes fuel consumption while reducing noise levels, allowing for extended use without frequent refueling. In terms of safety, the Maxlander generator includes an overload protection system that automatically shuts off the generator in case of overload, preventing damage to both the generator and connected devices. Overall, the Maxlander 2400-watt portable inverter generator is a reliable, quiet, and portable power solution suitable for various outdoor activities or as a backup power source at home. Its performance, efficiency, and ease of use make it a worthy investment for anyone in need of portable energy.